Singularity. Singularity. A function is defined in terms of power series. In this, n equals to 0 to infinity a n z minus z naught to power n plus sigma bn n equals to 1 to infinity z minus z naught you whole power minus of n. Okay. Then the function, all functions are defined in terms of a power series. This power series is called Laurent power series because in this power series it has principal part. This part is called principal part because of the minus of n at z upon z equals to z naught, right? How to find the singularity? What is the meaning of singularity? Singularity meaning is that where the function is not defined. At if you put z equals to z naught, then this term is goes to 0 and this term is also goes to 0, then fz equals to 0. So this is called singularity. If bn is equals to 0, then this whole term is 0, but this term is not equals to 0, so it is called singularity. So there is a possibility. What's the possibility? The principal part contains infinite number of terms. If the principal part, there is first possibility, there is always terms in principal part, there is no term in principal part, and there is some finite terms in principal part. Three possibilities, right? The first possibility is when the principal part contain infinite number of terms, then it is called isolated essential singularity. What is the meaning of essential? Because infinite number of terms is always contained in power series terms. Okay. Now in the second term, if coefficient terms bn equals to 0, if the coefficient is 0, then the function's principal part is 0. If the principal part is 0, then it is called, then there is only function contains this part, or this part. When the function is contained, then the function is called power series term. In power series term, if this is this term is 0, so it is called removable singularity because we have removed this type of singularity, right, by taking bn equals to 0. Okay. So if the third possibility, if there are finite number of terms in the principal part, how? If n equals to 1 to m, we take n equals to m to 1 m, then these terms are finite, and if these terms are finite, then the singularity is called pole. Okay. Now what is the meromorphic function? A function which has poles as its only singularity in the finite part of. If a function